Well, welcome to class. My name is Elizabeth Hodge, and I'm going to be your professor this semester. I'd like to provide you with a brief overview of your course and the platform and the different tools that you'll be using throughout the semester. So to begin with, you're going to log into Blackboard, and you should see the course listed. When you enter the course, you'll automatically land on the announcements page. From there, on the left-hand panel, you can see all of the links that will take you to your course materials. So I always suggest that students start with the course syllabi and calendar. When you click on this link, obviously it's going to open up the course syllabi. I'd like to just quickly, I'm not going to go through the syllabi, although I would like everyone to read all of the information within the syllabus. But I find what's important to students is to know what the course requirements are. So if we look here, you have 5 article analysis and 5 application assignments and 1 final project. So those are the requirements and the percentage that each of the assignments are worth. And again, there's a great deal of information about the course, the requirements throughout the syllabus, so please go through all of the information. When we move back to the course platform, if you click on the course calendar, aside from the syllabus, this is one of the most important documents that you will access because it maps out the entire semester. So as you can see here, you've got the date that the module runs, and as you can see, you have 6 modules throughout the semester that you'll be working through in the different time frames for completing each. Then you'll see the module objectives, and then in the last column is the outcomes. So just quickly looking at module 1, you have to complete the sign in to class, and then you have article analysis 1 for your first assignment, and then your second assignment is orientation, which is a video chat session. This is a synchronous session. So you'll see that 2 dates are listed for you. You only need to attend 1. So you'll select which date, whether it's September 8th at 11:30 a.m. or September 8th at 6 p.m. to attend the session that will last 1 hour. And that's part of the course. You can see that you have one at the beginning of the semester, and then if you look at Module 6, you also have one at the end of the semester. Moving back, we'll go to Module 1. In Module 1, just like all of your modules, you'll begin with the Module 1 information. This is similar to if you were coming to class and actually getting a lecture in class. So for Module 1, you have some introductory information, followed by some more course-specific or content-specific information. So you'll read through the information. You can see that it's broken down into course outcomes, what you're expected to learn within the module, an introduction to the information, and then your required course readings. And these will be linked out. Now, you can click on them, and they should open up, but for some of you, you may need to right-click and then open and choose Open in a new window. You'll also see that the orientation video chat session is listed, along with the times and information on how you'll access the chat. And then at the bottom, you'll always see a wrap-up. And again, this is just like the course calendar. It kind of gives you an overview of what you were to complete during that module time frame. All of the material for each module is posted within the one link. So you have your Module 1 information, signing into class, your assignments, and then this last one is just a little more information to get to know me. You'll find throughout the semester, as you can see as I click on them, all of the modules are set up consistently. I like continuity, so hopefully that works with your learning style. I will say that when you log in to Blackboard, only Module 1 is going to be showing. The next module will be released based on the dates listed in the course calendar. At the bottom, you can see the contact information for me. I've listed both my office hours and my phone number and email and things on how you can contact me should you have questions. And then the last link is to the tools. You can see you have a variety of tools available to you. Most students, most important usually is the grades. So if you can access those to find out where you are at. The last thing I'll say about the grades is that I provide a great deal of feedback. So it's really important that once you submit your assignment, you check back and see the comments